Now, how many of you got a life bird this week?
Woo!
Yes!
All right.
Well, when you get a life bird, you need to celebrate it. Okay? You ready? Okay. Now, some people, when they celebrate their life bird, you know, they're intrinsically British. Tom, would you come up and illustrate? Yes, like Juanita. Very ladylike. Some people, when they get a life bird, they're very understated. Tom will demonstrate that kind of a celebratory dance.
It's a yellow line dance.
Okay, you ready?
It's actually a likeness dance. Very light.
You ready? Now, some of us are a little bit more flamboyant, which rhymes with Willamette. And when we get a live bird, we, you know. So, I'm speaking now especially to the young people, which I treasure. I love all of you so much. I'm so glad you're here and doing all this good stuff. But you're young. You have to prepare yourself for when you're as old as I am, which is older than dirt. But you have to get your dance ready. Do you feel up to it?
Yes.
All right. Now, we're going to, I have one person, yes, would you come up, sir? Okay. And as you are inspired by this music, which comes from my generation, the dirt part. As you are inspired by this music, which invites you to celebrate, would you please get up and demonstrate to all and sundry your personal life bird dance? Are you ready? Ready? Okay, cue music. Carol? Wait.
They're all different?
We're all different.